Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to print multiplication table of a given number using for loop. In previous video we have seen how to print a multiplication table of a given number using while loop. In this video we will see using for loop. We will get same output by using while loop and for loop, but coding is different. Now let's get started. First we will see the code and later on we will discuss the code. While typing the code, we need to be careful while giving indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on File, click on Save As. Now we can give any file name. For example, for mul.py, we need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name with the extension .py and click on Save. Yeah, file is saved. You can see over here, and we have got Python file. Now we need to execute this Python program by using command prompt. To open command prompt, click here and type cmd, enter. Now we need to give path. cd space desktop, enter, dictionary dir, enter. Now give file name .py, enter. See, enter a number. For example, 2, enter. We are getting the multiplication table till 10. Now once again we will see file name .py, enter. Now we will see 6 table, enter. Now copy this output. Now I am pasting the output over here. Yeah, this is the output and this is the code. Now we will see the code line by line. First line of code is used to enter a number by the user. And after that, x equal to 1, x is the variable and we are assigning one value, and for x in range of 1, 11. Now x value ranges from 1 to 11. So this loop repeats for 10 times because 11 last value is excluded. And later it will enter the loop. Print n, this is the multiplication, n into x equal to n into x. For example, if we give n as 2, then 2 into x means first value is 1. 2 into 1 equal to 2 into 1. Then we will get like this. 2 into 1 equal to 2. And later on, it will increment the x value by 1. Now x value becomes 2. Again it will go to the loop, and now 2 into 2 into equal to 2 into 2. It is 4. So in second line of output, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now it will again increment the value of x by 1. Now 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now x value becomes 3. Now it will again go to the loop and it will enter the loop. Now 2 into 3 equal to 2 into 3, 6. This is the third line of the output. Now it will increment the x value again. It will repeat until x becomes 10, like this. And after 10, it will exit from the loop. In this way, we can get the multiplication table of a given number by using for loop. This is the code and this is the output. I hope everyone clear with this output and code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. These are the basics code programs of Python. In the further videos, we will see more complex videos. So please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.